I thought for the future it would be nice to make co-working streams. The first project I've planned would be a beaded bag. I really want to make a new one. And maybe you remember these two. I also made 2 coin purses, but I don't know where they are. They don't see the sunlight very often, so this time I want to make them a little bit different. I don't want to add a zipper and just a button. And also for the strap, I think I want to make it separate or connect it with a hook. That's probably not the right word, but you know what I mean. Yes, because it's just too many layers, and I think this was the end boss for my old sewing machine and I don't need to repeat that. For today I thought we could browse through the fabric I have. I don't know what I have left, and I can show you the beads. Believe it or not, I thought of pink and purple. Actually, we can open this. I don't think these are going to be enough. I show you my sketches in a moment. No, I don't want the hair behind my ears. Please remind me. Yes. Of course, all the letters, I never use them. We're gonna see. Speaking of sewing machine, I ordered this overlock presser foot because so far I don't have an overlock. I hope it works a little bit at least. I don't expect it to replace an overlock machine. Yeah, we see. Here are my sketches. Might be a little bit easier if I show it. No, it's not. Okay, anyways. My first choice is this one. And this feels like a school presentation. And now I have to improvise. This I like because I thought I could add some dangling parts to it. Yeah, I think I go with this one. You can tell me what you think. I like this, I like this. This could be nice, and I feel like I see these kind of bead embroidery a little bit more often. It's really nice if you can add different textures and you know the different shapes of beads. And if you also work with contrast, I can see this being very nice too. I think this won't go so well with the long beads. I cannot think of the name right now. Okay, let's look at the fabric. I'm so picky when it comes to colors and I want it to match. But if you could see the mess that starts right here. And also besides that, for now we start with a beaded bag. But what we can also do is crochet. I still have a brooch here, which I really want to use. What I want to do is crochet a beanie, maybe make it a little bit longer and then have this here on top in the future. And even further in the future we can play games, but that's very far away. Just so you know, I don't have much space here. Oh. This was, years ago, was this a background for my videos? But, I mean, I could still use it. I said pink. Of course, this is purple now. Might be an option, might be. Yeah. Actually, I prefer cotton fabric for embroidery and also for regular sewing. So I know I have another one in pink and I was thinking of using that, but it's time for a new experience. I don't want to get everything out. Light blue. No. No. Oh. This was another bag I haven't finished. Maybe we can do that sometimes. Sometime. Not yet. No. Okay, this is a lot of felt and zipper. What do we have here? This is not really the... I think we are more successful with the other boxes. I knew that here's not that much. I've put lavender in all the boxes because of the cotton fabric, and it just... Opening is always a very relaxing experience. So we have more purple. This is cotton, and this would be nice, but I feel like that's not enough. I kind of want to make it smaller this time, the bag, but this isn't even that big. My wallet and my phone and keys, that's it. And that's just enough, and I think that's should be the bare minimum for picking a size. I mean, I can make the lining different. No, the strap. Or I would love to make like a chain, a beaded chain as a strap, but for my life I couldn't trust it. Imagine standing in public and it rips and you have all the beads rolling around you. I don't need that. I don't. Oh, I remember buying this and I also wanted to embroider this, but not only with beads, also with like normal embroidery. I really enjoy that too, and I think it can be really beautiful. One of those 100,000 million projects I have in my head, and sadly for years, and here we are. I bought these on a fabric market too, and I like looking at them. Unrelated, it's unrelated, I'm sorry. Ooh, I said I don't want a zipper, but for this I have the fitting zipper. What was the plan here? Also no cotton, and this doesn't fit the beads. I mean, we're not tied to these beads, but I also don't... Have you noticed that you really can't find beads in this type of color, like a Bordeaux or a dark purple? Or I don't, or it's like super rare. But that would look so elegant. Also a dark red, like a red wine, dark red. This I wanted to sew a blouse. Blouse is not the right word. Something like that. I want to learn sewing. I do. No. I forget what my mission was today. I wanted to look for a fabric. See, I'm already losing my focus. This was the one I was initially talking about, but like I said, also nice. I remember I made really good deal with these two. She was closing her store and I got this for very cheap. We can look into the last one. Well, here is it. Okay, it's not even that much. It looks like it's... I mean, it is chaotic, but not because it's that much. I had this also in a darker color. Either the purple cotton or the satin looking. I'm thinking, I'm sorry, I'm just... Because I thought maybe I have more of these small cotton fabric packs and maybe there's a nice color. The right one I'm looking for. Ooh. Velvet? Wait. No. Oh, no, I'm not trying to sew with that again. Stretchy fabrics for me are still a level too high. But theoretically, I like it. It looks nicer on camera. This is very much salmon. Very... I don't think... Actually, if you combine it with the red... No, I don't like it. I don't like it. Ooh, I have this left. It's so warm. It's not as salmon as the other one, but these are very bluish, colder, and annoys me. Yes, I will organize it a little bit better. I haven't sewn in forever. Like I said, the machine was broken and then the year was over and here we are. I feel like that would be too dark for the vibe of the bag. If I think of this and it being, I don't know if I see this being so dark. If you know what I mean. I have also some polyester, but I don't want to use that. I also don't think that would be enough. You can tell me what you think, if I should do the pink satin or the purple. Yeah, the purple cotton without a strap. It's a little bit lighter. Purple and red and pink. Yes or no? That's not enough. That's also not enough, I feel. Okay. I think about it. You tell me what you think. And the next stream we start. I think so far I said everything I wanted to say. Thank you for watching and we see each other soon. I will not delay that, as I sometimes do. Tomorrow would be very optimistic to say. Monday evening. Something like that. Thank you and I see you.